Hello, my name is Rodolfo Alvarez. I'm a life coach and a health and wellness coach, and also an educational presenter with Yes Institute. On Tuesday, June 16th, I invite you to join us for a complimentary Lunch and Learn workshop, Cultivating Well-Being, from 11:30 to 1 p.m. Many Americans are reporting increased general anxiety levels compared to the past few years. We live in a dynamic, rapidly changing, and sometimes stressful world. However, allowing stress and anxiety to overtake our lives isn't healthy, empowering, or supportive to us. In this interactive workshop, you will get to explore well-being and stress management tools you can apply to both your work and personal life. Participating in this workshop can result in you creating a possibility of more workability, more internal peace, and more thriving, not just surviving. I hope to see you there.